Hi everyone, in this video we going to take in-depth look on AcuRite 06090 Iris Nano Display. Package contents. Features and benefits. Front of display. Temperature indicator. Humidity indicator. Wind indicator. Rainfall indicator. Auto cycle indicator. Selected reading. Current indoor temperature or humidity. Display low battery indicator. Auto focus mode indicator. Outdoor sensor signal strength. Outdoor sensor low battery indicator. Back of display. Display select button. Integrated hanger. Degree Celsius or degree Fahrenheit button. Battery compartment. ABC switch. Battery compartment cover. Dimension. Setup. Display setup. Set the ABC switch. Install or replace batteries. Select units. Maximum accuracy. Placement for maximum accuracy. Display placement. Outdoor device placement. Important placement guidelines. Operation. Using the AcuRite Iris Nano Display. Understanding rainfall. Autofocus mode. Specifications. Troubleshooting. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.